To draw a mandala, first draw a dot in the center of your page. Then attach your pencil to a drawing compass. Stick the needle on top of your dot and draw a sequence of concentric circles around the dot that gets progressively bigger. You may find it easier to rotate the paper instead of turning the compass to draw your circles. Line a straight edge up with the center dot. Use your straight edge to draw 10 to 12 symmetrical lines running vertically and horizontally through the center dot. Once you have a grid-like sequence of circles and lines, start by adding your shapes by drawing a pattern within the area closest to the center dot. Draw a small set of matching circles, lines, triangles, or waves around the center dot. Use the concentric circles as the baseline for each new set of shapes. As you get further away from the center, make your patterns and shapes progressively larger. Let your mind wander freely and instinctively add shapes as you find negative space that you want to fill. To finish your mandala, color your individual shapes in with markers or colored pencil. Use the same color or pattern to fill in smaller shapes in incremental patterns. Reuse some of the colors you used on the smaller shapes to color some of your larger shapes. The more colors you use, the more dynamic and impressive your mandala will look. Continue adding color until you've filled in all of the blank spaces. Outline your shapes with a black marker if you want to give them some definition.